So I thought I'd run a workshop so that you can see how I work and get a few bits of information from me that you can apply instantly to your life. Hello and welcome from Berkeley. I'm Susan Regan, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about my codependent relationship addiction, trying to have healthy relationship workshop that I'm running to give you an idea about how I work and how I work with folks who are going through trying to recover from either ending a relationship or really trying to get into a healthier relationship and be healthier with themselves. So I thought I'd run a workshop so that you can see how I work and get a few bits of information from me that you can apply instantly to your life. So the way that I want to approach this workshop is looking at positive aspects from you first. I don't think it's important to pathologize why we might have difficulty in relationships or how our families of origin might have affected how we attach to people and how we behave in relationships. I think it's really important to figure out how to hang on to a part of yourself. So in this workshop, I'll be looking at always trying to incorporate ways to build you up. But I also want to be looking at that edge of how do you want to be functioning better in relationships? What do you want to be able to do in relationships that you're not able to do now? A lot of times I work with folks who are getting out of unhealthy relationships and trying to get into healthier ones, and they could be functioning better. And I want to help you identify the areas of your relationship life that you'd like to function better in. What kind of skills might you have? And then I'm going to weave in again the positive. So how about your confidence? What parts of your personality have taken a hit? And to work on building those up. So it's simultaneously looking at things that you want to approach that might be scary, that might be full of shame, taking the shame out of them and coming to and approaching them with positivity about yourself. I feel like the only way we can approach things that are challenging is to remember the strength and the value and have a lot of self-acceptance about ourselves. How do we pass that on to other people if we can't hold on to it ourselves? So we'll be identifying some of the areas that commonly people do and behave in different ways that aren't really healthy for them. They might be people pleasers, overgivers, avoidant from conflict, not having very good boundaries, being enmeshed when they meet people, feeling too needy, feeling too independent. So there's things to identify in our personalities that we might want to work on. But all along, I want you to keep thinking about what are your gifts? What's your value? What are the things that you really love about yourself? And if you can't find them, maybe talk to 3 of your best friends or 3 of the closest people to you and ask them what they value in you, what they see are your highlights. So this codependency workshop is going to give you just a sense of how I work and what you need to work on. So join me, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you. It will require you to sign up ahead of time. And of course, you can chat with me about what you might expect and whether the workshop is right for you. I look forward to meeting you then. Click the link below to get all the details. Bye for now.